Alright, we're getting the Lovejoy coupler off of this old Briggs engine so I could transfer it over to the Honda and put the Honda on this log splitter, and broke a tip of the Allen wrench off in the Lovejoy. So I've already heated this thing up and started pulling. I sprayed it down with some lube, and to keep the engine from turning over, I'm just putting a little pressure on the rope. That's about all it needs to keep that off, to keep it from spinning. And it's coming. It's slow, but it is coming. You can see by that mark right there. Let me hit it with a little more lube. I hadn't decided what I'm going to do with this Briggs yet. I may get a non-factory carburetor for it because I believe the engine block itself is good. The intake valve is stuck, which I think I can fix that. I'm pretty sure I can. Oh yeah, she's sliding right off. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to drill that out and just retap it. If I can drill that out. That socket's, that Allen wrench is hardened, so it may be a son of a gun. And the little plastic spider that connects the two Lovejoys just disintegrated when I pulled the pump off, so I will have to get one of them, and chances are I'm going to have to order it. This little puller is doing a good job. It's coming right off. And there we go. Yeah, she's still hot. Got a stubby little shaft on there. I think we can still use that keyway. Not that I don't have some, but there we go. Yeah, now like I said, we'll have to, she's still hot, we'll have to drill that out, retap it so I can put a little bolt or something in it, or another Allen screw. But she's off. Now I'm ready to take the engine off and start putting the Honda on. Thanks for watching, guys. Go check out my channel for the rest of the videos. Later.